Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you in online class of Balsadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Kumar, TGT Social Science in Balsadhana Public School, Guttagodji. Yesterday we discussed about the Shyamji Karshan Verma and about the Chapekar brothers revolutionary movement in Maharashtra. And today we discussed about the V.D. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar means Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was born on May 28. Born on May 28, 1883, and he was a revolutionary. V.D. Savarkar was born on May 28, 1883 in Bagur Gaon. Bagur Gaon near Nasik in Maharashtra. Near Nasik in Maharashtra. And he died on 26th February 1966 due to fasting on his own wish of death. V.D. Savarkar was a great revolutionary, patriot, and organizer. He studied in Ferguson College, Pune, where he come in contact with Lokmanya Tilak and organized a youth group named Mitra Mela. He organized a group named Mitra Mela with the help of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. For the freedom of the country, whatever the intensity and sacrifice that he had made throughout the life cannot be praised only by words. Savarkar was declared as the hero or Veer by the people. Hence, he was called as Veer Savarkar. At the time of partition of Bengal, at the time of partition of Bengal took place in 1905. He formed an organization named Mitra Mela with his friend and light a bonfire of imported clothes. Means when he organized a group named Mitra Mela, in which resulted he lit a bonfire of imported goods. Imported goods means he boycott the foreign goods. And which resulted in the explosion from the college. V.D. Savarkar studied in when he studied in Ferguson College, Pune, where he bonfire the foreign imported goods, or we can say when he boycott the foreign goods, then he rusticate from his college. Savarkar was the only revolutionary who was punished to life imprisonment by British government, and he also founded a secret society named Abhinav Bharat Society. Abhinav Bharat Society. This is a secret society in India in 1906, means after the partition of Bengal. He wrote a book named, V.D. Savarkar was the first Indian who described the revolt of 1857 as the first war of Indian independence. In his book, The First War of Indian Independence, The War of Indian Independence. The name of his book, War of Indian Independence, and he called that revolt of 1857 as the freedom struggle, first freedom struggle of India, first freedom struggle of India. In this in this book, The War of Indian Independence, he described about the guerrilla warfare tricks used in the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny. This book was seized by the English even before it published, but it reached India through secret channels and under different titles. V.D. Savarkar spent a long time in cellular jail in Andaman Nicobar, and this punishment is known as the punishment of black water. When he was released on an account date of bad health in 1924 and kept under house arrest in Ratnagiri. Some topic is added in this topic, and this topic is disputed between the present government, Congress and BJP. So I tell you something additional about the V.D. Savarkar. In 2002, the Port Blair Airport Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Port Blair Airport at Andaman and Nicobar Island was renamed after Veer Savarkar. This airport is known as the Veer Savarkar International Airport. Veer Savarkar International Airport. Veer Savarkar was sentenced to 50-year imprisonment or to life imprisonment and deported to cellular jail. Cellular jail was present in Andaman and Nicobar Island. In 1911, in 1921, he was transferred to a jail in Ratnagiri and then to Yerwada jail in Pune. He was released in 1924 from cellular jail and deported in the Ratnagiri jail, but could not move out of Ratnagiri or engage. And here in Ratnagiri jail, here he engaged in political activities for 5 years. He faced hard torture in the prison. Due to pain of these tortures, he sent mercy petition to the British government. The first petition was sent when the British government punished the V.D. Savarkar. Then he sent a mercy petition to British government to reduce their termination. Then the British government accepted his petition. First petition he sent on 30 August 1910. Second petition sent is 14th November 1911. In these petitions, V.D. Savarkar called himself as the son of Portugal. He wrote that he is ready to act according to the British government. Third petition was sent in 1917 and fourth petition was sent on 1st February 1918. So he sent 4 mercy petition to the British government. After in 1924 he deported from cellular jail to Ratnagiri jail. In 1921 British accepted his petition and released him from cellular jail and kept in the Ratnagiri jail. On 2nd May 1924, government released him upon the condition of not taking part in the politics for 5 years. He joined, after releasing from jail, he joined Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha. Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha and headed the organization. He continued to purpose the establishment of India as a Hindu nation. During Second World War, First World War occurred in 1941 to 1919. First World War, and Second World War 1939 to 1945. Second World War. During the Second World War, he announced to help British government. In 1942, he opposed Quit India movement, and in 1946, he opposed the formation of Pakistan. Before the partition of Pakistan, India and Pakistan was the part of Indian subcontinent. After assassination of Gandhi on 13th June 1948, the allegations of plotting Gandhiji murder with Godse were made against him, but he was acquitted of the allegation. Means he was arrested by British government in the murder case of Mahatma Gandhiji, but he was released soon. Now, revolutionary movement in Bengal. Revolutionary movement Bengal lead by the Premant Nath Mitra. He founded an organization's name Anusilan Samiti. Political awakenings in Bengal exist after the partition in Bengal. When the partition of Bengal was done in 1905, and through the partition of Bengal was divided into two parts: Western Bengal or Eastern Bengal. And this partition of Bengal was done on the policy of divide and rule. Means Western Bengal was populated in Hindu, and Eastern Bengal was populated by Muslims. So British wanted to separate their unity, or wanted to break their unity of Hindu and Muslim. So they had done partition of Bengal. After the partition of Bengal, the political awareness existed in the Bengal. The purpose of the movement was not only cancel the partition of Bengal, but also get the Swaraj. Swaraj means self-rule. Barinder Kumar Ghosh wrote a book named Bhavani Mandir and gave detailed information about the organizing revolutionary activities. In this book, anti-British thoughts were published through a magazine, weekly newspaper named Yugantar, and Sandhya magazine. A book named Mukti Kaun Pathe urged the soldiers to provide arms and ammunition to the Indian revolutionaries. So, today we studied about the Veer Savarkar and about the revolutionary movement in Bengal. Tomorrow we will study about the new topic peasant movement, in which main reason of peasant movement, causes of reason or main peasant movement like as the Indigo revolt in South India, peasant movement in Punjab, Champaran, Kheda, and other organized efforts. So stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.